Did you know that by 2025, video content will make up more than 82% of all internet traffic? With platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Watch exploding in popularity, video has become the most powerful tool for businesses, content creators, and marketers. But here's the challenge. Editing videos is time-consuming, requires skill, and can be overwhelming, especially for beginners. Traditional video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro can take hours or even days to create a high-quality video. That's where artificial intelligence, AI, comes in. AI-powered video editing tools are changing the game, making video editing faster, smarter, and more accessible to everyone. Imagine an AI tool that can automatically edit your videos, add captions, remove silences, enhance audio, and even generate voiceovers, all within minutes. Sounds incredible, right? In this video, we'll break down the top 5 AI video editing tools you need in 2025 to create professional videos without spending countless hours editing. Stay with us until the end because the last tool we'll reveal can actually replace human presenters with AI avatars. Let's dive in. 1. Pictory AI, the best AI video generator for text to video. The first tool on our list is Pictory AI, an AI-powered video creation tool that can turn any text into a stunning, professional-quality video within minutes. Why Pictory AI? Pictory AI is perfect for YouTubers running faceless channels who want to create videos without showing their faces, bloggers and marketers who want to transform articles into engaging videos, businesses looking to create promotional or explainer videos, educators and course creators who need to produce videos quickly and efficiently. This tool is designed for anyone who wants to create high-quality videos without needing video editing skills. Key features: convert text into video automatically. Simply input your script or blog post, and the AI creates a video with relevant visuals. AI-powered voiceovers. Choose from multiple AI-generated voices with different accents. Stock footage and images. Access a massive library of stock videos, photos, and background music. Auto-captioning and subtitles. The AI automatically adds subtitles to improve engagement. Branding customization. Add your logos, fonts, and brand colors to create a consistent look. How it works. 1. Paste your script or upload a blog link. 2. Pictory's AI scans the content and selects relevant visuals. 3. Customize the video by adjusting clips, adding background music, and selecting AI voiceovers. 4. Export and share your video in HD quality. Why it's a must-have in 2025. With the rise of faceless YouTube channels and content automation, Pictory AI is a game changer for content creators looking to scale their video production effortlessly. Pricing: free trial available. Paid plans start at $19 per month with additional features. Best for YouTubers who create faceless content, bloggers and businesses repurposing written content into videos, digital marketers who need quick video production. If you're serious about video automation, Pictory AI is a must-have tool in 2025. 2. Runway ML, the ultimate AI video editor for creativity. Next on our list is Runway ML, an AI-powered creative tool that brings Hollywood-style effects to your videos. Why Runway ML? Runway ML is not just another video editor. It's an AI-powered creative suite that allows you to remove backgrounds instantly without a green screen, apply AI-powered motion tracking to follow objects, use AI to generate special effects and animations, transform images into videos using text prompts. This tool is perfect for YouTubers, video editors, and filmmakers who want to create stunning visual effects with minimal effort. Key features: one-click background removal. No need for a green screen. Remove backgrounds instantly. AI motion tracking. Track objects and apply effects that follow them. AI-powered color grading and enhancement. Automatically adjust colors for a cinematic look. Text-to-video generation. Convert text into animations and visual effects. Custom AI models. Train your own AI effects for a unique editing style. How it works. 1. Upload your footage. 2. Select AI tools like background removal, motion tracking, or special effects. 3. Customize animations and transitions. 4. Export in high resolution. Why it's a must-have in 2025. With AI-generated effects becoming more common in movies, ads, and YouTube videos, Runway ML puts powerful video editing tools in everyone's hands. Pricing: free plan available. Pro plans start at $15 per month. Best for filmmakers and VFX artists, YouTubers who want to add professional effects, businesses creating high-quality advertisements. If you want AI-powered creative editing, Runway ML is an essential tool for 2025. 3. Descript, the AI video editor that works like a Word document. At number 3, we have Descript, a revolutionary AI tool that lets you edit videos just like you edit text. Why Descript? Descript changes the way video editing works. Instead of manually cutting clips, you edit the video by deleting words from the transcript. This is perfect for YouTubers who create educational or explainer videos, podcasters and voiceover artists, businesses producing training videos. Key features: AI-powered transcription, converts audio and video into text automatically. Edit by deleting text. Remove unwanted parts by simply deleting words from the transcript. AI-generated voice cloning, overdub. Fix mistakes in recordings without re-recording. Screen recording and podcast editing tools. Ideal for tutorial creators. How it works. 1. Upload your video or audio. 2. Descript transcribes everything into text. 3. Delete words and the video edits itself. 4. Export in multiple formats. Pricing: free plan available. Pro plans start at $12 per month. Best for YouTubers and educators, podcasters and voiceover artists, businesses creating tutorial videos. Descript simplifies video editing. If you create spoken word content, this tool is a must-have. 4th, Wisecut, AI-powered automatic video. Editing Wisecut is a time-saving AI editor that automatically removes silences, adds captions, and adjusts background music. Key features: check auto-cut silences, faster-paced videos without awkward pauses, AI-powered subtitles and translations, boost engagement, smart background music adjustment, keep speech clear. Pricing: free plan available. Premium plans start at $10 per month. Best for vloggers and content creators, course creators and educators, businesses making quick promotional videos. 5. Synthesia, AI video tool that replaces human presenters. Synthesia uses AI-generated human-like avatars to create professional videos. Key features: AI avatars with natural lip syncing, 120+ languages supported, no need for actors, cameras, or editing software. Pricing starts at $30 per month. Best for businesses creating corporate videos, educators making training content, YouTubers creating faceless content. Which AI tool will you try in 2025? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.